What's going on, everybody? Scott Staten with KECO Body Repair Products. I'm here with Danny Hacker. We are so excited. SEMA 2023 is right around the corner, and man, do we have an array of systems set up and ready to go for you and your shop. All these systems you see here are all based around the L2E. This is our flagship system.
So guys, let's get into it. So let's get started. We're going to go ahead and go over the L2E system. This is the flagship system. This is the most important system in our offering. There's going to be a couple changes to this L2E. One of the changes is going to be our tab print organizer. Still laid out like a repair plan from rough out to finish, but we did also add a couple new tabs. One of the tabs is going to be the hinge tab. This hinge tab the industry has grown to love. This is for the edges of panels. Another couple tabs you're going to see are going to be our shortened centipedes. These are going to be great for them intermediate damages that you run into. This system still has the modularity. It still has all the tools that the industry has grown to love. And keep in mind, this is the foundation of all of the systems we have to offer. Now let's take it over to Scott.
All right, for those customers who already have an L2E or are thinking about getting an L2E, this is a great addition to that system in your shop. This is our technician companion system. As you can see, it doesn't quite have everything the L2E, it doesn't quite have the capabilities that an L2E has, but it's got a nice selection of tabs. Anything from some large damage with the K-bar, all the way up to some where you can do some small repairs with the Robo. It's got a tab prints organizer specifically designed for the technician companion system as well. And now, as you can see, we're on an 18-inch cart platform, which is a little bit smaller, a little bit mobile, so you can take it to, a technician can take this system, take it to the vehicle, what he's working on, right off of the L2E, and have a great system right there next to the vehicle and do some great repairs.
So now let's go over our next system offering. This right here is what we're going to be calling our GPR Plus. Now you ask, why do we call it GPR Plus? We call it that because we want to make sure that we create a solid foundation in glue pole repair first. This is going to be an extension or for previous or customers that already have an L2E system. Now, going over GPR Plus, you're going to see that we're going to have a variety of push tools. These are the most common push tools, so we already did the groundwork in choosing the right tools for you. Now, going into some of our knockdowns, you're going to see that we have this really nice, brand new KECO knockdown with peak material tip. This is going to be made out of aluminum, lightweight, and very good tool for control as well. Now, when we get into push tools, I want you guys to understand that they can be invasive. Glue pole repair is the least invasive repair, so we always reiterate, start with glue pole repair before we move into push tools. You're going to see that we're going to have multiple tips with surface area. This is going to allow us to be able to push without creating damage on the backside. So guys, check it out, but keep in mind, glue pole first.
All right, another new system. This is our rough out system. Right off the bat, you can see that it's on an 18-inch cart platform. Our old level 1 is very similar to this. It was on the 36-inch cart. But now we moved it down to this compact size because it is an entry-level system. It starts you out with all the rough out materials that you would need. It's got the K-bar, K-beam, slide hammer, and your slappers, just like the level 1 had. New tab prints organizer moves right into the level 2E. You can expand and move it up to the level 2E if you'd like to. But this is a limited system. It's just going to do rough out, but we did add the hinge tab to it as well. So in summary, this is a rough out system, and it'll give you everything you need for some of those larger damage you're going to see in your shop.
Now our next system offering is going to be the L2E Compact. I'm really excited about this system. It's going to have all the same tools, tabs, modularity as our traditional L2E system. Now there are a little bit of pros and cons to this. The pros is that it's compact. It's 18-inch cart. This is going to be easy to move around the shops that are limited on space. Now, some of the cons is that the tools are sitting pretty close because we had to make it compact. So we're meeting the customer where they are, right? Some shops are large, they love the L2E. Some shops are a little bit smaller, so they need something a little bit more compact. This system right here will be a great option for those types of shops.
The last system we're going to talk about is our finish system. It's a new system for us this year. As you can tell, it's on the 18-inch platform. The finish system is going to come with everything the rough out doesn't come with that makes up our L2E system. It's going to come with your finish tabs, your intermediate tabs, and all the tools you need for some of that smaller damage, including the light, of course. What you got to think about though is this still is a limited system and it's only going to be for finish material and finish damage. The L2E is still your best bet for getting a full system that's going to help your shop with efficiency.
Well guys, we are so excited here at KECO to release all of these new systems for you. But Scott, go ahead and tell them a little bit about what's coming up.
All right. Well, we're going to have an area in our booth at SEMA dedicated specifically to training. We've been working on our training programs, so we're going to have a whole new offering, and we're really excited to bring that to everybody. But also, we're going to do a promotion. So we're going to have a 10% off promotion for our systems and our KECO branded tools. But there's a lot of people that can't make it to SEMA. So what we're going to do is we're going to turn that on for you right now online. It's going to be SEMA 2023 is the code all together. And so we're really excited to bring that to those people who can't quite make it to SEMA. So we're ready to go.
So guys, take advantage of this promotion. Now, if you have any questions about any of these systems we went over, feel free to reach out to us anytime. So guys, I can't wait to see you at SEMA 2023.